Google Pay is a mobile payment platform that allows users to make payments and transfer money using their mobile devices. It can be used to make payments in-store, in-app, and online. To use Google Pay, users must first download the app and link it to a debit or credit card. Once the app is set up, users can make payments by holding their mobile device near a contactless terminal or by scanning a QR code at the point of sale. They can also use the app to make payments in-app or online by providing the card details. Google Pay also allows users to send and receive money from other Google Pay users. Users can send money to other users by providing their email address or phone number. The recipient will receive a notification and can then claim the money by linking their own debit or credit card to their Google Pay account. Google Pay uses multiple layers of security to protect users' information and transactions. All card information is encrypted, and users can set up fingerprint or PIN authentication to secure their account. Users can also remotely lock or wipe their device if it gets lost or stolen.